Polar coordinates guided notes. In a polar system, a fixed point O is called the pole or origin, just like in a coordinate plane. The polar axis is usually a horizontal ray directed toward the right from the pole. Here is my polar axis. The location of point P on the polar plane is given by the coordinates in the form r theta. So here is point P on my polar coordinate system. The distance from the pole to the point is r. So that's like our radius. The measure of the angle formed by the ray and the polar axis is theta. That angle right here. If r is positive, then theta is the measure of any angle in standard position that has OP as its terminal side. If r is negative, then theta is the measure of any angle that has the ray opposite or backwards its terminal side. The angle theta can be positive and negative, just like before. If theta is positive, it moves counterclockwise. And if it is negative, it moves clockwise.